Hey there, this is Fiverrologist and I welcome you all to Freelancing with Fahad. As usual, I brought you something jaw-droppingly impressive, which is low in competition and high in demand. Today we are going to discuss the infographics. If I check its competition at Fiverr, I will get more than 3,800 services over there, which is a pretty high competition as I see. Now Fiverr has categorized these services into 4 parts. Obviously this guy will be providing some custom stuff based on some software, and these guys will be working on some templates. So how you can make infographics? Luckily Adobe has got a dedicated software called the Adobe Spark, which is specifically used for making infographics. It is very easy to use and you can master it within a week. But if you are not willing to learn any sort of software, you want to use some drag and drop stuff, you can use some online cloud-based paid software. For example, you can go for WinGauge. WinGauge is a very good platform where you can make some eye-catching infographics. You have to sign up over there. You will be having limited features for free, but after that you will have to pay them. Similarly, another good platform is Visme. Visme is also a very good platform where you can make infographics like this. This is also a paid tool. You can sign up for free, but after that you will be paying them for the extended version of Visme. Now this is a famous website, Pick to Chart. It offers very minimalistic infographics. These are not as that much fancy as you will find in Visme, but you can give it a try if you want to do some basic sort of stuff. But here is my favorite, the canva.com. If you type the infographic over there, you will get several templates for the infographics. You see, it has some ready-made templates for you, which can be used for making customized infographic. You can change their text and you can add several elements in that. For example, if I will open this infographic over here, here we go. You can simply edit all this text, you can change these elements, you can move them, and you can use all the elements available in their bank. They can be used for free and you can download them in the JPEG format and you can easily submit it to your client. But the major limitation of canva.com is that it provides you only one type of infographic. You cannot change their dimensions. You have to create your own dimensions if you want to make a square infographic, or if you want to make some long and timeline infographics like this. This is a timeline infographics. Now let's move back to Fiverr and see what are the different keywords that you can use to minimize your competition. As we have seen, almost 4,000 people are selling the service of infographic, which is moderate to high competition, but we will not be targeting this simple keyword. We will play with that. For example, if you try the infographic design, you will get only 2,300 services. Oh my, these people are making some killer infographics, and trust me, all these elements can be made in PowerPoint as well. If you are fond of PowerPoint, there are several ready-made tools available in PowerPoint where you can make some fancy stuff like that. The second keyword is business infographic. These infographics will be purely related to the business and they will not be serving different blogs and jolly type of stuff. They will be purely informative, and only 284 people are selling this service. Now there comes the hand-drawn infographic. Just like the hand-drawn logos, people are selling hand-drawn infographics. They are doing this in their own style. You can try this one as well. And luckily only 94 results appear when I try searching hand-drawn infographics. Now there is infographic chart, where people could see entire information in one blink. There is a wagon wheel type of chart, there are spiral charts, you can see all those. The best way to understand what are infographics is that check out their samples, read their descriptions, and you will learn even more. Only 167 people are selling this service. Now this is extremely unique type of service. You know, Instagram is a platform which is purely pictorial. You cannot post text over there. You have to present yourself, you have to express yourself in the form of pictures. So people are fond of making infographics and presenting and promoting their business through Instagram. So these are people making infographics for Instagram, and only 120 people are selling this service. So what we just discussed in canva.com, there are timeline infographic. This is a very unique type of infographic, very high in demand. You see 315 orders are done by this guy and 43 are done by this guy. So I can gauge the extent to which this is high in demand and extremely low in competition. Only 28 people are doing the timeline infographic. It will take 1 week of you to master this art, but once you will learn it, you can earn a good money out of it. Now comes the turn of extremely high in demand service of infographic, which will be Amazon infographic. People always need infographic for their product. You can try Amazon infographic, or you can try Amazon product infographic. These infographics are used with their product description, where they will be explaining each and every part of their product. For example, you can check this knife and they are presenting each and every part of this product in detail. Similarly, you can check this one. Just try opening multiple of those and you will come to know that how these infographics are made. You will have to remove their background and just label those products just like these guys have done. So I hope you must have liked this video. Let me know the other things you want to know about. Tell me in comments, and subscribe to Freelancing with Fahad. Stay groovy. Subscribe to Freelancing with Fahad to enhance your freelancing skills. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.